Hello and welcome to another episode of Aquarium Plant Index. Today we are going to be talking about Rotala rotundifolia blood red. Now, despite its slightly gory sounding name, this variant of Rotala is actually a beautiful plant from Asia. It is a stem plant and it develops these really deep red long leaves that appear to be slightly bigger than your other Rotala species such as rotundifolia or Rotala green. So depending on the brand that you buy, some manufacturers of this plant regard it as an easy plant, whereas others regard it as more of a medium to difficult plant. In our experience, we definitely think this is a plant that does best under high lighting and CO2. That's not to say that you couldn't grow it in a low-tech condition, but you could probably expect to find that the colour wouldn't be as vibrant and the growth might be a little bit more leggy. So this plant does best planted in a nutrient-rich substrate. It does grow quite quickly, so it does require regular maintenance such as trimming and shaping, just to keep the overall shape of the aquascape looking good, and also to retain a more compact and bushy growth. After several trims, the lower portions of this plant may start to deteriorate. You also may notice it sending out aerial roots or side shoots. So what you can do is just trim the top 2 to 3 inches of the healthy part of the stem, disregard the old parts and replant the healthy tops, and this will just ensure that the plant constantly looks healthy and vibrant in your aquarium. So this plant is classed as a background plant. It does grow moderately tall. It's between sort of 20 and 30 centimetres, so it can be used in the background of a sort of nano-sized scape or even in the mid-ground of a larger aquarium. But we do actually have this plant growing in a 45p in our gallery at the minute in the background. And as mentioned earlier, due to the size of the leaf and the stem itself, it is best to just give this plant some room when you're planting it, just so it has space to bush out in the aquarium. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you again on the next episode of Aquarium Plant Index.